Nutrition during pregnancy. I'm Dr. Aruna Kalra, Director Ops and Gynae Department at CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon. During pregnancy, you do not need to eat for two. And yes, cravings for some special food is absolutely real. It means your baby might be asking for those foods. So during pregnancy, you would need approximately 300 calories extra each day. But more important is balanced diet. And again, you do not need to eat for two. You can have meal for one, but it should be balanced and you should be eating mindfully. Folic acid or vitamin B9 is important. So all B complex vitamins should be taken, whether it's vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12. All these vitamins are there in all the vegetables, fruits, greens, cereals. So we should be taking half of our meal should be lots of fruits and vegetables. Fluid intake during pregnancy should be good. And if you're not able to have normal water, you can have lemonade, buttermilk, soups, whether it's vegetable or chicken soup, milkshakes. You can have juices as well, but sometimes juices cause gastritis. And instead of juice, you can have whole fruits like melon or citrus fruits, which are rich in water. We should have lots of calcium also for baby's bone growth and to prevent yourself from osteoporosis. So milk, curd, ghee, cheese, all these things are rich in calcium. You can have calcium tablets also. You can have fruits like guava, you can have fox nuts to improve your calcium intake. During pregnancy, you would be having 1.5 liters of extra water in your circulation, which would make you anemic. It would dilute your blood, and that is why you will feel anemic or your hemoglobin would go down. And to improve your hemoglobin, you should have iron-rich diet. Iron-rich diet is in all the green leafy vegetables are iron-rich. Beetroot, apples, tomatoes. And if you cook your food in iron vessel, that also gives you or nourishes your food with iron. And whenever you're having an iron-rich diet, you can add lemon to it to improve iron absorption. Meat also is rich in iron if you are a non-vegetarian. Protein is a building block. It builds baby's muscles and it gives you energy. So let's have lots of protein in the form of cheese, meat, pulses, legumes, dried fruits, fish, paneer and eggs. To avoid constipation and to have vitamin and mineral rich diet, you should have lots of fruits and vegetables. You should have at least 4 to 5 servings of fruits and vegetables. They are rich in potassium, magnesium and all the minerals. And you should have coconut water, which is also rich in minerals. And what to avoid during pregnancy? You should avoid smoking, alcohol, raw meat, raw fish, raw egg or any undercooked food. But otherwise all the myths like a special type of food or fruit should be avoided like papaya or pineapple. No, it is not written anywhere. Papaya and pineapple are rich in vitamin A and can be taken in moderation, and they are fiber rich also. They help avoid constipation. But you should be avoiding packeted food which is rich in sodium, which can make you feel bloated and sometimes can increase your blood pressure. And you should be having ironated salt to avoid thyroid problems. So again, a healthy, well-balanced diet is important and you should be eating mindfully. But if you are having gestational diabetes or high blood pressure, your gynecologist would appoint a nutritionist to give you a diet chart, and you should be following that chart for baby's good growth and avoid complications of pregnancy.